my Math Independent Study students. The topic for this video is how to find the least common denominator of the rational numbers and how to add rational numbers using the least common denominators. First, why we need the least common denominators when we add two rational numbers with different denominators. We first find the least common denominator. Or the shortcut we call LC. The L stands for least, C stands for common, and D stands for denominator. What is the least common denominator? LCD, or the least common denominators, is the smallest numbers that its denominator has a common multiple. Now let's begin with this example. It will make more sense. Let's say we are asking to find the sum of the two rational numbers with different denominator, 8 over 15 plus 5 over 12. So again, the denominators are 15 and 12. So the first step, we have to find the least common denominator. So to find the least common denominator, we are going to factor the denominator. So we have 15 and 12. So the factor of 15 is 5 times 3, and the factor of 12 is 4 times 3. Now we continue to factor the 4, so the 4 will be 2 times 2 times 3. So we can see right here that the common factor is, you can see here, it's 3. The remaining factors are 5, 2, and 2. Even the same factor repeat, but you have to write both of them. So I'm talking about this number 2 here. Therefore, the least common denominator, or LCD, is the product of our common factor is 3 times the remaining factors, times 5, times 2, times 2, and that will be equal 60. So now we found the least common denominator. Next step, we are going to go back to our fraction, a over 15 and 5 over 12. We are going to rewrite the fraction with the denominator at 60. So a over 15. So 15 we have to multiply by 4 to get 60. So I'm going to do the same thing, multiply 4 to the numerator. So a times 4. Next, the second fraction is 5 over 12. So let's look at the denominator 12. To get to 60, I have to times 5. So we repeat the same process. We're going to multiply 5 to the numerator. So now we end up with 32 over 60 plus 25 over 60. Now we can see that these two fractions have common denominators. Then we go ahead and add the numerator only. So 32 plus 25. And just copy the denominator. So that will give me 57 over 60. Now here we can see that the numerator and the denominator, 57 and 60, we can reduce this fraction by divide both numbers by 3. So if we divide by 3 to reduce the fraction, we end up with 19 over 20. And that would be the sum of our two rational numbers, a over 15 plus 12 over 15. So let's write down the summary. Go ahead and draw a line. Erase any extra vertical line, and then write out the summary right below. Summary. So what did we learn from this video? We learned it how to find the least common denominator of two rational numbers. And we also learn how to add rational number with different denominator. Now dear, in this video we did not provide you with a question because we want you to write your own question. So make sure when you come to class with the note, make sure you write your own question. Thank you, my student. Goodbye. I will see you in class.